Today I'm going to be installing this LiftMaster. This is the 850 LM receiver, and I'm going to be putting it into my gate. This will allow me to use remotes like this here. These are pretty common, these 893 Max, all kinds of different variants that Chamberlain and LiftMaster use for your garage door openers. Allow me to use that for the gate as well and save us having to keep multiple remotes for different purposes. Very simple setup on this. You've got power. You could either use a plug here with a DC transformer if you've got power out there, or if you're using solar or something else off the board, you can use 12 volts DC here, positive and minus. And then you've got 3 different channels. So you could use this in different situations, such as, hey, I want to use this for an open only function, a close function, and a stop function. So you could have these 3 different transmissions work for those purposes. Some commercial doors use that. In this gate scenario, I'm just going to use channel 1. You got a normally open connection and a common. So all we're going to do is do a red, black, the normally open in my case, which is the trigger to allow the gate to know to open, is going to be a green, and the common here is going to be another black. And we'll wire this up inside our gate. What we're using here is a Patriot board on a gate that uses various components from different manufacturers, but the main control board is a Patriot, and we'll just connect into on the board here. This is corresponding to the power in red, the common or the negative power in black, the signal to the gate to open here with a normally open, and then we'll go to the black again for the common. And that's it. We'll just connect into those 3 connection points. Try to mount it up here in my box just with some double-sided tape, and then we'll see how it works. Okay, so the receiver is installed. You can see I got power. It's got that gray wire. Ground is the black. I put a jumper from the ground over to the common because it's going to the same place. And then green is my normally open, which is the trigger. And then that connects into this board here. Power, pin 1. Ground is pin 2, also touching the common. And then the green is the normally open signal. Programming this remote receiver is very easy. You just press and hold on the channel you want to program. That light will come on for 30 seconds. Just take your remote and choose the button that you're going to want to program, press and hold it, and then you'll see that this light will start to flicker and go out, and then you press it again and you're ready to go. That's all you got to do. And this is a good receiver. It's got a built-in antenna here. You can see that underneath. I'll check out how good the range is, and if needed, I may splice in this other antenna that I have up there. But we'll see before I hit hassle with that. But yeah, very easy to add your LiftMaster remotes to your Patriot board. I hope that helps. Have a great day.